Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I know it's been a couple of days since I last updated, since I last posted. Actually, let me check to see if there's sound on here. Yes, there is. Just wanted to make sure. I wanted to go back into the dollar because I know we did have a pretty nice drop from like the 114, 115 area down to like the 112, 111. Yeah, so just a small pullback from I think the whole UK funneling money into the market, or else I think UK's pension funds would have been like at fucking zero, and then also BlackRock would have gone to zero, something crazy like that. I think it's just a regular retracement. I mean, I don't really care too much. I still think we're on trajectory, right? It's a simple. We did what, like a point 0.5 retracement on this, I think. So I'm not really too worried. We actually just closed the 4-hour bullish trigger. We closed this at fuck, what is this, 24. We closed it at 12 p.m. I think 12 p.m. at night. You close the 4-hour trigger, and you're just running up on that, and you're actually showing already bearish, like a weak bear on the daily trigger. So as of right now, this is my range right now between like October 17 to October 26. So by next month, by mid to late next month, I think we're gonna be at a 117, 118 dollar. That's also taking into consideration that CPI will also not be that good for next week's or next month's CPI, or technically this month's CPI, but released next month in October. Gas actually went from like $5 or something to like $7. Here where I live in Orange County. I'm not gonna say where for obvious reasons, but I live in Orange County. And our gas went from like $5.40 to like $7 in the span of a week, and I had no idea. I actually just talked to my dad, and he's like, "Yo, like, yeah, this thing's moving up really fast." And I think my wife got a message from KTLA 5 that said like, "Oh yeah, it was the biggest increase in prices in like since like the 70s. I don't know, was it the 40s? I have no idea. But gas is ridiculously high, and there's no way that this does not impact CPI. Like the gas being so ridiculously high, CPI is gonna be complete dog shit. I'll be honest. It's gonna be complete dog shit. But yeah, the 4-hour right now, where it looks like we're running up to the upside. This will more than likely, because we are breaking, we know we did break relative highs. More than likely, SPY is going to continue down, as well as the Nasdaq. Right now, you are bouncing off a small little minor trend here. We closed the bearish perfect entry here, so I have been short. I don't know if you can see my shorts here. Yeah, so it should be short. Currently down about $1,200, not too bad. But I'm gonna leave them open. I don't think this is gonna bounce from here. Let me look at the 5-hour and the 5-minute. Actually, you are bouncing from trend. Looks like you actually are bouncing from trend, but I don't think it'll hold. I think we'll actually break this, and after this gets broken, you're probably going to 355. As of right now, I do have puts on Meta and GameStop. I will be more than likely selling my Meta puts, because I already did. I already got my gains yesterday. I'll probably sell them at open, maybe at close. I have GameStop puts also. GameStop doesn't want to drop. It's fucking stupid. So I'll probably switch them up to something for like Mara puts, or like Bitcoin mining puts, especially because Bitcoin and Ethereum are looking like they're gonna be having like a crazy massive dump in the next 2-3 days or so. Right? They look like they're going to be closing a bear trigger like this, and every single bear trigger, they tend to fall heavily, like, like how Bitcoin dropped from, 23K down to, 19.8 in the span of a day. So I do think that's what we're looking for. I do think we're gonna break new lows of 18.1 this weekend. I actually think we're gonna break these lows of 18,100. So I am gonna be getting into Mara puts. Hopefully for next week, because I do think Bitcoin's going to crash, as well as Ethereum. I'll probably switch my Mara puts to like SPY puts, because I do think that we have started the trend down towards 355 SPY. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye bye.